Hey sneaker lover, this is HighFoot Review. Today we are unboxing and review the iconic sneaker Air Jordan 1 Low Green Theo. Before we start in unboxing, if you want to grab your favorite sneaker, this video is officially sponsored by buykick.com. It's an online retailer offering a wide selection of high quality sneakers and luxury brand replicas at competitive prices. Buykick.com offer top quality Nike Air Jordans, Adidas luxury shoes like Balenciaga, Louis Vuitton, and accessories, slides, and more. The website link and WhatsApp number in my description box. Go and check it out and buy your favorite sneaker from this website. Let's go to unboxing with some great music.